Hey everyone, today we will unravel the world of SEO, making it easy to understand the different types of SEO and essential SEO techniques. By the end of this video, you will have a clear grasp of what SEO entails and how it can benefit your website's visibility on search engines. So, let's dive right into it. SEO or search engine optimization is the practice of boosting organic traffic to your website through search engines. To begin, let us break down the various types of SEO, starting with white hat SEO. White hat SEO is all about ethical practices. It strictly follows Google's guidelines and involves optimizing your website through elements like meta tags, keywords, and quality content. If you aim for long-term success and play by the rules, white hat SEO is your path. On the opposite end of the spectrum, we have black hat SEO. This approach involves exploiting Google's algorithms with tactics like spam links, keyword stuffing, cloaking, and hidden text. However, these practices are against the rules and come with risk. Black hat SEO is all about quick wins, but it is not for the faint-hearted. In between, we find gray hat SEO. This approach uses methods that don't explicitly violate Google's guidelines but push the boundaries. It is a bit of a gray area. Gray hat SEO tactics may work, but they also come with some level of risk. Now that you are familiar with the types of SEO, let us explore some essential SEO techniques that can help optimize your website for search engines. On-page SEO revolves around optimizing the content on your web pages. This includes strategic keyword placement, the use of external links, crafting compelling meta tags and descriptions, customizing URLs and optimizing images, proper keyword distribution, and quality content are the pillars of on-page SEO. Moving on to off-page SEO. This focuses on external factors that influence your website's ranking. Activities such as link building, brand promotion, commenting, sharing, and liking play a role in off-page SEO. Building a strong online presence and brand recognition are crucial in this type of SEO. Lastly, we have technical SEO. It is the part of SEO that deals with the back end of your website. Technical SEO focuses on optimizing technical parameters that affect your website's visibility in search engine result pages. This includes aspects like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, sitemaps, meta tags, and more. Understanding the types of SEO and the various SEO techniques can significantly impact your website's performance in search engine rankings. Whether you opt for white hat, black hat, or something in between, your choice should align with your goals and your commitment to following or bending the rules. That is for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video, where I will introduce a comprehensive exploration of how search engines work, a step-by-step guide. Thank you for watching, and I hope I will see you until the next video.